Here I am again with another big box from Smart Doll. I have a new girl to join my collection. This will be number 7, 8. I don't think I'm getting any more anytime soon. I am looking forward to Chaos and a boy doll and a Cortex doll. But other than that, I think this does it for a while. But you'll have seen the thumbnail. Let's get her open. This is PEAR, Cinnamon, Legion. Very excited. Ooh. There we go. Okay, I can immediately see the new bag design. This is exciting. Ooh. Okay, so funnily enough, it's time for my eye test. I need to go to the optician, but I can read. It says, "Be seen with Smart Doll." Very nice. I might have to take this bag with me to the optician. Right, okay. Very nice bag. One-sided design. I got the bundle, of course. Cinnamon Legion was just released the other day and is at the moment only available as a bundled collection with 2 busts. Oh, I have wanted a Legion for so long now. Oh my goodness. The freckles and the eyes. Face. Just love the colour of her eyes and her hair. Oh, I really like these orange head caps as well. They're very cool. But yeah, I didn't think I had a freckled girl in my collection, but actually Beyond has got freckles. They're just not as obvious as they are here on Legion. Oh, it's just beautiful. Okay, let's get the wig out. Ta-da! Oh my god! That colour! The emerald. Oh. So glad I got her. I was swithering. It was 5 to 2 in the morning. My notifications went off that there were drops happening, and I was waiting for Chaos, but wasn't expecting to see Legion PEAR so soon. I think I really like the medium smooth bust, so I will be swapping her out. Yay! Clickety clack. Stand. I think that makes enough for me to put together one of those tripods that Barb from Enchantarium sent me. I will have a go at that. So excited! Big love for Legion. Hey girl. Right, I'm going to, excuse me, briefly decapitate her. Try to do this on camera this time. Okay, so we have, right, I'll try and do it the usual way. and if it doesn't work, I'll go backwards. Just have a little elastication at the back. Gosh, that's a beautiful wig. No, I'll try to go from the back. Oh, it's so tight. I still might struggle off camera for this. Because we do not want a 5 head, a 6, a 12. That's a very large amount of forehead. So hard. Oh my goodness. Okay. Spinning you around. Alright, I will concede to struggling off screen. For this, I will be back with some final shots of her. Oh my goodness, I'm really happy. Very, very happy. And I'm gonna get sewing. I'm going on holiday soon. I was going to take a week off, but then this happened, so I think this will be a quick upload for the week that I'm actually away on holiday. I'm going to try and do a little sewing, so that might be a video the week after, but we will see how I get on. I have some style ideas for Legion and for the future as well, but thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Big thank you to my supporters on Patreon. Big thank you to everyone who watches. Thank you so much. Please check out links in the description box, and I will see you again very soon. All right, take care. Bye.